Hello, so today I'm going to tell you 5 attitudes you need for success. First is possibility. First of all, you must believe that success is possible. There are a lot of voices out there telling you that the structures of society are aligned against you, or that the government hasn't done enough to provide the opportunities you need to succeed, or that someone has hurt you so badly you can never make it in life, or that your past is holding you back, or whatever you might think is preventing you from achieving success. Well, I promise you that if you believe the universe or the structures of society or your family or your past are preventing your success, you will never be successful. Second is self reliance. So, talking about self reliance, the second attitude that you need to be successful is the attitude of self reliance. This attitude refers to the way we think about ourselves and our own agency in the world. So, the third one is commitment. The third is commitment. An attitude of commitment means that you have greed. Greed is the commitment to keep going when it doesn't go your way. Never has it been easier to succeed than it is today. It's almost as if the universe is saying, "What are you gonna do now? Quit? Give up?" Well, success comes to those who persevere. Success comes to the commitment. You have to be determined. The fourth thing you need is to work. The fourth attitude is one of hard work. The opportunities that we have today to succeed and to achieve are far beyond any time in history. Never has it been easier to start a business. Never has it been easier to build an audience. Never has it been easier to succeed than it is today. Work hard at things that are easy to do. You just need to work hard. Get your butt off the social media and read the information you need to read. And then read more. Work hard. Well, the fifth is growth. The final attitude that you need for success is an attitude of growth. It's an eye opening experience when you begin to realize that your success will not change unless you change. In fact, the whole world can change, but it won't change your success if you remain the same. So, in order to conclude, I would say, what attitudes do you right now have? What are they preventing you from being successful? Do you believe it's possible for you to succeed in this world? Do you believe in yourself enough to be bet on you? Do you have the grit and commitment to keep going when the world conspires against you? Do you have a dedication to work hard? Are you dedicated to a lifetime of personal growth and learning? They are the attitudes that form the foundation upon which success can be built. Without them, it won't happen. So check out, where do you stand with such of